People say you got to spend money to make money, but I'm going to show you how to start an online business with no money, even if you're a beginner. Now, small disclaimer, starting a business is one thing, but if you really want to grow your online business, like any business, be prepared to invest money over time. Step 1, start with affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It is selling other people's products for commissions. Now, did you know most successful entrepreneurs online started as an affiliate? Yeah, many of the top creators, coaches, and even bloggers started with affiliate marketing because you don't have to create a product or sales pages or do any of the heavy lifting that you need to do when starting an online business. And you can also focus on just 1 to 2 little things to become an expert. So, why should you start with affiliate marketing? Number 1, it is the path of least resistance for getting started online. And number 2, it is an easy business model to start for beginners. So, where do you find products to promote? One great site is clickbank.com. It's free to get started. All you have to do is sign up. Then you can go through, find all the different types of niches that you can go ahead and promote, find a product, promote it, and you're on your way. So now that you have a product that can potentially make you money, where can you promote where it won't cost you money? Step 2, promote affiliate products on free traffic sites and platforms. Now, getting started with paid ads can be tricky and super costly, so I recommend try using social media platforms and especially YouTube for free organic traffic. Now, another great platform I recommend is Leads, which has been around since 2008. I've used it for free traffic. There's also a paid upgrade pro version that I invest in, but the free version has everything you need to get started promoting and potentially earning with your affiliate business today. So that's it. Check out the link in the description below if you want to check it out. It's free, no credit card required.